Hi folks. 5 years ago, when President Trump was not the president, in 2015, when he rode down the escalator in Trump Towers to announce his running for president under the Republican ticket, from that day forward, I've agreed with all his decisions. However, come recently, that may change. There was two tweets. President Trump quoting a tweet from a gentleman by the name of Lou Dobbs, where Lou Dobbs mentions that the president is going to restore partial funding to who? Who? The World Health Organization. So the president responds, and he responds by writing, "We will pay 10% lower than China." And then he continues that he has not made a final decision. Furthermore, he wrote, "All funds are frozen. I like to urge the President of these United States of America, keep it frozen. As a senator in the late 1700s said, millions for defense, not a cent for tribute. If you give any money to who? Who? Who's on first?" That would be the first time I would disagree wholeheartedly with your decision. Nothing to that commie-led organization. See? We can disagree once in a while and still remain respectful. We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.